Governor Hogan announced funding of $17 million to support 41 neighborhood revitalization projects statewide. Counties that will benefit include Dorchester County, Baltimore City, Prince George's County, Montgomery County, and Allegheny County. For more information on the projects, you can check out my blog post about this at www.bartonrealtor.com. It's Friday, May 28th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in real estate here in Maryland. Closings were up and more homes went under contract this past week. Here's what's happened by the numbers. 1,964 are newly active, 1,498 are coming soon, 858 homes went under contract, 1,449 are temporarily off the market, 1,937 moved to pending, and 2,052 homes settled since last week's report. The highest price home to sell this past week was this 37-acre waterfront estate in Easton for $5,800,000. That was a steal. The rental market remains challenging for those seeking rentals. 269 rental units came on the market since last week's report, but the overall rental inventory is still down to 1,020 units at an average of $2,200 per month. Landlords continue to be selective, seeking tenants who are going to compete. If you are thinking about buying, selling, or you just want to have some information, be sure to get our free home buyer or home seller guide. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on the word guides in the navigation bar at the top. That's your quick snapshot of the Maryland market for Friday, May 28th, 2021. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Be sure to catch our podcasts on your favorite podcast service or by Google or the Alexa devices. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thank you again for tuning in. May your Memorial holiday weekend be safe, healthy, and restful while we remember and honor those military personnel who have died serving our country. Have a good one, and I'll see you next Friday.